Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by declaring the enum where the rest of your code can see it. Define the name, and if needed, an underlying type like byte or int so storage is explicit. Once done, assign values when order or interoperability matters. Explicit values avoid surprises. Make sure to place the enum above classes or in a shared file for reuse. This immediate setup gets you a typed set of constants that compile time checks, preventing magic numbers and clarifying intent. Now use the enum as a typed variable in methods and properties to express intent clearly. You can cast to int for storage or interop, and parse from strings when reading input. Once integrated, prefer switch statements or pattern matching to handle every possible value so the compiler can help you find missing cases. Make sure to use descriptive names and avoid numeric comparisons. That keeps code readable and less error-prone, while leveraging static typing for maintainability. Finally, choose flags when values represent combinable options and assign powers of 2 values so bitwise operations work correctly. When reading external data, validate with enum. Is defined or map values explicitly to avoid invalid states. Once complete, provide helper methods to parse, format, and convert enums rather than scattering casts. This encapsulates behavior and reduces bugs. Troubleshoot by checking underlying values and using
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.